Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, thank you guys for clicking on this video, and I do hope that you enjoy this video. If you're oldie but goodie, thank you guys for continuing to coming back and showing me love and support. I really do appreciate it, guys. In today's video, I will be doing a DIY pre-poo hot oil treatment. The oils I will be using are avocado oil, almond oil, Jamaican black castor oil, aloe vera oil. I will be using 2 essential oils today, and it will be rosemary and tea tree. And last but not least, I will be using some all natural coconut oil. So guys, so far all I've done with my hair is pretty much finger detangle. I do not use any comb in my hair if I'm taking out braids or anything. I only start using the easy detangling brush when I'm applying conditioner in my hair as the last step. That's the only time I add I start using a comb. So far I've just finger detangle, and now guys I'm going to be showing you guys how I combine. I have no particular measurement because, as I said, this is DIY and I'm just adding oil. All these oils have their own benefits, and I have been using them for a number of years now, whether it's in my shampoo or I use them as a sealant for my conditioner. Guys, I'm back, and now I'm gonna just separate my hair. I'm gonna be doing it in 6 sections, in 6 different sections. So let me start from the front so you guys can see what I'm doing. Have some warm water, so I'm just saturating my hair with some water first. The water, the oil seems hot. Yeah, the oil is hot. I'm adding it to my root as well because my root needs some moisture. Guys, and I braid my hair because this is how I wash my hair now. It's so much easier when I wash my hair like this. I braid it, not too tight, because you want the water to be able and the shampoo to be able to get through it. So I just normally braid it loose, and that's how I get to wash my hair, and it's so much easier. But that's what works for me. And then when I get to the point of conditioning, I will add the conditioner, take it out, and detangle and braid it back just the same way, because this is how I stretch my hair as well. I just find it to be so much easier to manage with my hair like this. And I just twist it in. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. I am going to leave this on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and shampoo. But guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you could know each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, bye.